Hey guys, this is SJ and welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Tech Vlogs. So today we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy A70s which is going to launch soon. Samsung has been on a roll with its Galaxy A series phones in 2019, we all know. Earlier in the year, the Galaxy A50 and Galaxy A30 brought back Samsung into the game amidst stiff competition from its Chinese rivals. And following up on that, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy A50s and Galaxy A30s few days ago as upgrades to the mainstream models. And now Samsung is looking to unveil an upgraded version of Galaxy A70, which was launched as one of the flagship Galaxy A models. Rumors of a Galaxy A70 has been doing rounds of the internet, and now the biggest upgrade possibly on the Galaxy A70s is expected to be the 64 megapixel camera at the back. This is possibly the same 64 megapixel camera that we have seen on the Realme XT. Samsung makes the 64 megapixel ISOCELL bright GW1 sensor, and it was only a matter of time before it used same sensor for one of its premium phones. The sensor uses pixel binding technology to get more details in the lower resolution photo. We recently saw this sensor perform well in the Realme XT, and with the Galaxy A70s, it could give out equally impressive results. While the reports only mentions the camera sensor, previous rumors suggest that the Galaxy A70s is going to use the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset from the Galaxy A70. Additionally, Samsung will use the new gradient design as seen on the recently launched Galaxy A50 and Galaxy A30s. However, rest of the phone is expected to retain all the other features we have previously seen on Galaxy A70. Therefore, it will feature the same 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a U-shaped notch and an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. The 4500 mAh battery could still be present along with the 25-watt fast charger in the box. As for the pricing, the regular Galaxy A70s costs rupees nearly 29,000 for the variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Given that the new A50s and A30s are almost 3,000 more expensive than the normal versions, the Galaxy A70s could come with a price above the rupees 30,000 mark, competing with the likes of OnePlus 7 and Asus 6Z. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.